Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our channel. We are bringing you guys to a brand new community here in Celina. It is brand new. You've got a couple of different builders.
Several builders. We are in the community of Mosaic here in the city of Celina. Guys, this is a Prosper ISD community, so you won't want to miss the walkthrough of this model home they're about to shoot. This is a Highland Homes 50-foot product, guys. This is a treat. Okay, let me tell you, we are sitting right here in the study area, and let me tell you, you won't want to miss this video. Love what they did to this floor, to this model home, and man, I feel like a king here. So
they've really outdone themselves with these floor plans. We've been shooting Highland now for a long time, if you guys follow our channel, and I haven't seen these floor plans. So these are all new to me. This is again for a brand new community in Celina with Prosper ISD. So you definitely get that Prosper ISD feeling and look inside of these gorgeous homes. When we walked in, I thought this was a 70s lot. It is a 50s.
Yes, you stole my words. Actually, I was just going to say that. The finishes feel like it's a 70-foot product, right? Very grand, all the upgrades that they did to it. Obviously, you're going to see it in the video. So you won't want to miss this. Stick around. Guys, if you haven't done so, hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell, so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. We do love to connect with our clients, love to connect with our viewers. So if you have questions about the community, the area, what we can do for you to answer any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our information will be up here.
Yes. So this particular home that we're going to walk today, it is the floor plan. Let me double check because 569. I gotta have my notes.
569.
569, and it is a 2-story, almost 3,400 square feet. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath.
Well, let me correct you. They added a 5th bedroom
to this
upstairs to this floor plan. Yeah, to this model.
So there are a couple of different things that you can do to make sure that it's, you know, specifically built for your needs. So you can add a 5th bedroom, or you can add a secondary media room. You
can add a secondary media
room.
room.
Let me just tell you, if you need 2 media rooms,
call us.
More power to you, but
we want to know why.
So you've got a study, you've got a media room, which I think is amazing downstairs, because let me tell you, as a mom, having a game room, media room downstairs is a game changer. But you can add a secondary media room upstairs if you don't want your kids to share.
Sure. Yeah. Standard 3-car garage, which is amazing.
Yes. Right? Now it is a tandem, but it is a standard, so you don't pay extra for that, you guys. Standard is a fireplace.
Standard fireplace. Standard. Actually, the downstairs media room on this floor plan is standard as well. And
a standalone tub is standard as well. So you guys have really outdone themselves with these 50-foot lots here at the Mosaic. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mosaic. But yes, check this out. You're not going to want to miss this gorgeous house, beautiful layout, and they have some inventory coming up. So the price point, they are negotiable on the inventory homes.
That's right, guys. So hey, reach out to us. We'll talk a little bit more about pricing at the end of the video, and a little bit more about the amenities that are going to be here in this community. So make sure to stick around and then let us know your thoughts, and then we'll see you at the end. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Man, what a great floor plan, what a great model home. This is by Highland Homes. They outdid themselves right on this one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, let us know your comments. What was your favorite part about the house? I know our son would love that upstairs bedroom with the messy jersey and the soccer themed room, and that was awesome. Don't mind that food truck. We might end up getting some gorditas.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
We're not?
No, we're not.
We might end up getting some
We're not
gorditas
gonna get
for
the
me.
food truck. That's not healthy.
Not healthy, people.
not
Don't
healthy.
eat the gorditas from the food truck. Not healthy, Karla says.
Not healthy. But
What
so,
is your comment on that? Healthy or not healthy?
It's definitely not healthy. But so a couple of things we forgot to mention too is in this particular 50s floor plans, they do have a double oven, which is standard in the kitchen, which is amazing. And the double door that you see right here, that is also standard. In most communities, that is an upgrade. Highland Home is throwing it in standard here, which is, they don't do a standard in other communities. So you guys, this is really a great floor plan with a lot of standards already done for you.
Yeah.
And if you're anything like me, the less I have to pick out, the better, because I hate picking out stuff. But this is a great floor plan, super flexible, lots of square footage. And you guys, again, this is a 50-foot lot. Celina, Prosper ISD.
Yeah.
It's so functional.
Right. Brand new community, guys. Hey, reach out to us right now. They are offering $20,000 for your closing costs, which could go a long way, especially if you're trying to and need to buy down that interest rate, right? Which is a great help for you as a home buyer. And also know we are here to negotiate on your behalf.
Correct.
Right. So reach out to us. Guys, there are limited lots available. These houses, as you can see, let me do babe, a little quick. I don't know if you can see a lot of houses going up. I don't know if you can be able to tell from there.
But if you like this particular floor plan, they do have several inventory homes. So I believe they're going to have 4 inventory homes that are going to be done in July, another one in August, and another one in September.
That's right.
And of course, you know, price can be negotiated. And once again, if you select us directly to represent you, there are benefits to using us,
right?
That only we can give you. So keep that in mind.
Keep that in mind, guys. We would love to connect with you. Answer any questions. Our information will be up here. So you can text us or call us. You can email us too. If you prefer, you can go into the description of this video and you can get our emails that way. So that's it, guys. This is a great floor plan. Love it. Great community. Up and coming, brand new. So not a lot of people know about this.
Yeah.
Also, so keep that in mind. Also hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we post each and every week. We do appreciate you guys.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So that's it. We'll see you next time. Bye.